Hello and welcome to Gatsby GH. This is your girl next door, Ifya Rai. This is the platform where we talk fashion and everything fashion. Today, in this video that you're about to see, you are going to witness the elegance and beauty of African fashion as we showcase the exquisite evening gowns designed by some of the continent's top fashion designers. From bold prints to intricate beadwork, each gown is a masterpiece that celebrates the diversity and creativity of modern African fashion. So you know what? Just sit back, relax, and prepare to be dazzled by the stunning designs that will leave you in a state of awe. Enjoy, and if you like what you see, please by all means subscribe, share, and click the notification bell. Thank you so much.
Give it to me like
Oh.